Hello lovelies, welcome back. What shall I achieve this white pasta with cheese? I added salt. I'll add in my fusilli pasta that I'll cook for 10 minutes. So yes, after 10 minutes, I will taste it is cooked but not saggy. So I added to my bowl. For those of you always coming to watch me, share my video, like my video, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep liking, keep commenting, keep sharing, and keep subscribing. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a member of this family. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So I'm going to add as many cheese as I want. So now I'll just mix together. I added a teaspoon of olive oil. So I'll just mix and mix and mix. So after that, I will still be adding more cheese. What is white pasta without cheese? This recipe is so yummy, guys. I hope you try it and you will testify that it's very yummy. So this is it, guys. It came out delicious. Enjoy. Bye. See you in my next one.